Stop. Do you wake up with puffy skin? You're gonna love this recipe that uses essential oils to help soothe your skin. Grab your Simply Earth essential oil recipe box. Pull out your labels, your recipe card, rose clay, which is gonna help detox your skin, frankincense essential oil, and orange essential oil. And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab a 1/4 cup of full-fat coconut milk. If you're getting it from a can, you'll wanna shake the can first and then pour it into your container, and then you might still need to stir it a little bit. But make sure that it's full fat, because that fat is what's going to safely dilute the essential oils. All right, let's get started. So to start, we're going to mix our coconut oil and essential oils. If you don't have coconut oil at home, you can replace this with lotion or full-fat yogurt, or you can even use a carrier oil. Add 3 drops of frankincense, and then 7 drops of orange essential oil. And then we're gonna stir it. These essential oils are great for your skin. They can help keep it clear and also have real soothing effects. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of rose clay. And we're gonna stir it really well, and then we're going to pour it into a mold. To make it nice and smooth, feel free to mix with a whisk to help get rid of any chunks. All right, let's pour it in. And so we're gonna use this little ice tray. Depending on how many you wanna make, you might only want to fill up your cavities half full, which is what we'll do here, because we don't need a whole cube for our face. We can just use about half. All right, so we've made 6 here, filling these cavities half full, and now we're gonna put it in the freezer. When they're done, they're going to look like this. Sometimes the fat will separate from the rest of the mixture. That's okay, your essential oils are still safely diluted. And then you can just apply it to your face like so. You'll want to be cautious around your eyes. You don't want to get essential oils in there, but use it on your cheeks, forehead.
Feels so good.
It's pretty amazing. If you're prone to sunburn, this will be really soothing on it. Thanks for watching. To get almost everything you need for this recipe, go to simplyearth.com/box.
See you later.